So you, French, can you tell me how to save water?
By not using the tap so much. When you on the tap, then you should off it.
After using, is it?
After using.
Very good.
What does make every drop count mean to you?
It means save more water and recycle water by switching off the tap when brushing teeth. Don't forget to save the water.
Save water is in our hands.
Happy Water Day!
Let's save water! We can conserve water by not flushing tissue paper into the toilet. And you must take shorter baths. Turn off the tap while you're putting soap.
Let's save water.
Singapore World Water Day. Make every drop count.
Hello. Janice, how do you save water?
I take shorter showers.
Turn off the tap when not in use.
Very nice. Let me see your artworks. Ooh.
Every drop counts. Use water wisely.